Hi, I'm Sarika Salunan. My topic is about analyze singleton FM equation and PM equation with the help of GeoGebra. And now we're going to observe the difference between FM and PM. Modulating signal is a random signal which contains a large number of frequency components. This means that a carrier signal, which is a fixed frequency signal, is modulated by a large number of frequency components. With the help of these frequency components, we can plot the frequency graphs of a single tone amplitude modulated AM wave. This type of amplitude modulation is known as single tone amplitude modulation. As we all know, the single tone modulating signal as x of t is equal to Vm cos omega mt, which contains a single frequency omega m. Signal x of t may be a voltage signal or a current signal. Here we assume that x of t is a voltage signal with a maximum amplitude equal to Fm. Let the carrier signal be Ct is equal to A cos omega Ct. In the first graph, where we are keeping the Fm constant and the beta, which is the modulation index, as constant. Here we could see the peaks of Fm and the peaks of PM is also same, but the only difference is the peaks in this frequency is maximum, but frequency in this is minimum, whereas in the phase modulation, the frequency in this minimum is bandwidth is a little bit lesser compared to the phase in the minimum value. In the next two graphs, we gonna maintain Fm as constant and phase as constant, but we gonna change the modulating index, where we have to change the peak value. Here you could find there is a large difference between the peaks in the minimum value and the peaks in the maximum value compared to the before two graphs. This is the graphs for the FM signal, and now I'm going to show the graph for the PM signal. Here also the peaks of the minimum value and the maximum value changes due to the carrier signal, whereas the modulation index varies between the frequency and the phase. And now the next signal is about where we gonna change both the frequency phase and even the modulation index, where you could see there is no difference between the maximum and the minimum values, whereas all are same, but we could see a very small deviation between the minimum value and the maximum value. Whereas in the PM waves, we could see some difference, the bandwidth gap between the minimum and the maximum value. Thank you.